Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, finally we have here the Z78 Ultra Smartwatch, and as you can see here, it is a sports smartwatch with a watch ultra clone inspired design. Okay, but this device is in circular, okay, body frame, and as you can see also here is a smartwatch with an Amoled big screen display, and it features a lot of different functions. Okay, so we are going to check on this wearable. We are going to have the unboxing, checking the menus and features of the Z78 Ultra Smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start. Let's unbox the Z78 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, so here it has a simple box, and as you can see here, it is compatible with Android and the iOS. So it features music, calculator, notifications here for messages, okay, whether it's SMS or application notifications. Okay, so we also have here some sports, weather. Okay, so we also have a skin temperature monitoring and a Bluetooth call. Okay, so we are going to check on this wearable. So let's remove the plastic here. Okay, and check the contents of the smartwatch. Okay, again, it is the Z78 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, so let's check the contents. So far we have a decent packaging here. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. Okay, we have the user manual, and we have a magnetic charging cable. We have the sports strap here, ocean strap. Okay, and of course we have the smartwatch. Wow, it's big. Okay, and we expect it to have a wide screen. Okay, so this is your smartwatch, the Z78 Ultra Smartwatch. Let's check on the user manual here. So what is the support app? Okay, so it is using the RD Fit application, available in iOS and Android platform. Okay, so let's check on the body frame here. So we have real screws here, we have real watch strap lock. Okay, we have the crown button and the pill shape button on the side. Okay, we also have the orange action button and the speaker here. Okay, so let's check. Let's weigh in the smartwatch first before we attach the strap. 0. Let's check. So it is around 48 grams. Okay, so let's put this aside. So how wide is this? Okay, so it is around 46. Okay, yes, it's around 46. For the thickness without the sensor, it is 10. Okay, so I'm going to compare it with a 49mm watch ultra clone, and as you can see here, this is our 49 rectangular watch ultra clone, and this is our smartwatch. Okay, as you can see here, it is inspired by the watch ultra smartwatch. Okay, on the other side you can see it, it's almost similar when it comes to button functionalities. We have the crown button here, rotary. We have the side button and the orange action button. We also have the speaker. Okay, so let's attach the strap. Okay, so we can see the beauty of the Z78 smartwatch. Okay, hopefully will not have any issues with the smartwatch. Okay, it's now attached. Okay, so easy attachment. So far it looks good. Okay, I'm impressed with the design and seems like it's much better. Okay, if you like a sporty feeling of sporty look of the Watch Ultra clone, okay, I think this one is much better. Okay, so new look for the Watch Ultra, circular design. Okay, so what are the specs? So let's check here. 1.52 Amoled screen. As you can see here, 51 grams, I think, with a strap attached. 360 by 360 pixel resolution. Android 5.0 and above. And iOS 10 and above. Okay. So what are the features? We have the heart rate. Okay, it's also available here in Amazon and AliExpress. Okay, available in orange, blue, and white. So what we have here is the blue color. Okay, so we have here the heart rate monitoring, blood pressure. We also have, okay, one key connection, Bluetooth call, voice assistance. Okay, so let's turn this on. Let's see if we still have a battery left. Okay, we do hope that we still have a power. Okay, still have. Okay, so we have here the black border, and as you can see here, we have a low battery mode. Let me just put it in a charging, okay, port so we can see the display screen. Okay, so let's check. So it's now charging. So we have 1% battery life here, and let's see. Okay, as you can see here, so the black border is a bit thick, although it has a wide body frame. Again, the screen display is a 1.52-inch AMOLED screen. Okay, so let's check with a 360 by 360 pixel resolution. So this is your Z78 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, it looks okay. I just don't like the thick bezel or black border here, as you can see. Okay, let's have a preview of the UI. Okay, so this is your quick settings here. On the bottom part we have, okay, I think it is the recently accessible application. No, it's no notification here on the bottom part. Okay, quick settings, the side. Okay, so this is the recent, I think, access application. I'm not sure. Okay, and here, so we have here the main features. Okay, for the menu, just press, I think, this one, and that's it. Okay, this one, let's check. Just a return button, I think. Okay, here, this one, the orange action button here. Let's see. Okay, as expected, it is the sports button. Okay, go back. Let's see if this thing works. Yes, it works. It's a rotary function for the crown button here. Okay, so that's it for the preview of the specs and design of the Z78 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, with the AMOLED screen display, 1.52-inch screen display. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this sporty looking, okay, Watch Ultra clone inspired smartwatch, Just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.